Howdy, folks. BangMung's gonna teach you how to clean your little door-kicking shotgun. Oh, yeah! We're back.
Oh.
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!
Yeah.
BangMung. Howdy, folks. Welcome back to BangMung after the unfathomably long wait. Boys, it's sure good to be back here today. Oh, we're gonna do something we've never done on this channel before. Another cleaning video. Wow. However, original. Well, you're not here for the originality, you're here for the cursed humor, so we're gonna do more of that than cleaning. So, what do we have here today? Earl, back in business. Red Rag, back in business. Big Mutney, right here. Not to be confused with Will Putney. And then we have our FBI case, of course. So we have all of our films. You know what we're gonna do. What are you chuckling about? Jesus fucking Christ, fat ass! God. Well, it would seem as though our very heavy-set cat decided to skedaddle off of the box. Oh. Well, speak of the devil. It's amazing he's able to jump like that with how heavy he is.
Fat.
Well, like I was saying before I was so heavily interrupted, just gonna go ahead and... Well, okay then. I'm gonna go ahead and open that bitch. It is clear as the day is blue. And what we're gonna do from here is adjust our shades so that we're nice and spiffy. We're gonna show off Big Mutney for a sec. Just look at Big Mutney. He's big, isn't he?
Big Morton.
Yes. Okay, open up our secret FBI kit. No looking!
Okay.
Hey. Sir? There are noises that should not be made. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to adapt an adapter for an adapter. What the
Race
fuck?
cars.
What? You say fucking race cars? What?
What?
I'm confused.
I'm not.
Hey, we got our first adapter. Now we need to adapt the adapter with this adapter. Now finally we can put on the correct adapter that's been adapted with.
Fix it.
Oh god, that was... had a bit of a burn to it. Yeesh. Don't mind me, I'm just gonna puke. Alright, let me take... There we... There we go. Long John Bagongle. Never. Sirloin blob. We're gonna go ahead and
Feel
roll
good.
this.
Yeah. There you go.
Fucking what? What?
Dude's job.
Earl is dying. He's not as Earlish. We're gonna lose our member. Our team. Ooh. Slip and slop. That just showered me. Slippy, sloppy, Earlicious. Look at that.
Clean as a whistle. Clean.
Sir.
Get in there.
What?
Clean it.
I'm fucking cleaning it.
Clean that board.
Oh!
See that gerbil? Grab that tube.
What? Alright, we now have our lengthy boy attachment. Ready for stuffing. Speaking of stuffing, it's almost Thanksgiving time. Leave in the comments what you're gonna be having for that luscious dinner with your family that you hate so dearly. You know, that aunt that comes around every 5 weeks and only complains about shit in your house? Yeah, you're gonna have to deal with her. You're gonna have to deal with your uncle that only comes around just to say that he exists. And then you're gonna have Francesco. You know who Francesco is. Leave a like for Francesco. Yeah.
Francesco.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that. Okay.
BangMung. Hey, dude. You ever go hunting for rock hyrax?
The fuck is wrong with you? What the fuck?
That's kind of what they sound like. Here. I can show one on screen now. See what I mean? That's kind of what they sound like.
Now I wish I stayed in the nut cabin. Okay, can I get this big fat pom pom plumpus on? What the fuck does this even go for if it don't fit? What is it? Just for like a fucking ye old flintlock?
Yeah.
Get off.
Yeah.
Puke shovel. Okay, but now we have a... We had a...
Oh.
Heeb. Why can't things just go on these things today?
Treat it like a sailboat. Send it off the shore.
What?
Do it.
Plunge.
BangMung, when you gonna take off the mask?
250,000 subscribers. We have a while. We have a while before I have to show this ugly mug. But maybe if you're nice and you send me a crisp $5 on Christmas Eve, I'll lower it down to 249,999.99.
99.
I don't know. It probably won't be 250,000, but it'll be a while before this comes off. You know, we're still a young channel. We still have room to blossom. So,
You know, BangMung, one time I had blossoms, and I grew them, and I gave them the wrong seed, and they turned into rock hyraxes. And I don't really know. They're almost like vampire rodents. You know, and they got them teeth, them long vampire Dracula teethers, and when they start squealing, you know that's the time to run, because if they bite, oh my god, you might turn into one too. Apparently they're related to a elephant. You ever see an elephant? They got them big old tusks. They're kind of like rock hyrax teeth, but not exactly. They're actually kind of two totally different things. But you ever go manatee watching, BangMung?
I'm the only manatee I know of in the fucking 10-mile radius. What do you mean?
I'm just trying to get to know you better here, BangMung.
What's there to know? I like guns and I'm fucking brain damaged.
See, you ever go fishing for eels?
There's no fucking eels! Oh shit.
BangMung. Yeah, that's a nice trinket box you got there.
It's actually a box of doodads, thingy-majigs, and whatchamacallits. That'll work like that. My hands are greasy. The chin. Scratch the chin. It's itchy. It is. It gets itchy as shit under this thing. Let's see. What do we do next? We clean the outside of the gun. I just gave that boy a little spritz. I got the brushes. I'm gonna see if I can notice any rust. I'm looking over my glasses so I can see if there's any rust marks to scrub off. Because I'm not taking them off. If I take them off, I'll rip your fucking soul out of your being just by looking at me. So I'm gonna go ahead and see here. Oh, there's a little bit. Use this for the soft scrub. Oh. Use this for the heavy scrub. On a serious note, I actually did this with some M1 carbine mags that I have, and I'm still have not got around, I don't even know where the fuck they are, but I'm still getting around to sanding off the last of that and painting them. I'm going to be giving one to my dad, because now he has an M1 carbine that he's got squared away to get. So that's ever so loverly. Sorry, I just had to reboot my brine there.
Brine?
My brine.
That's... BangMung.
What the fuck?
Hey.
Hi, retard. Okay, time to...
Squirtily-erdily.
Yes. There was actually a person that I recall in a Call of Duty lobby. His name was Turtley Erdly. That was a time from a different time, you know? We don't talk about Turtley Erdly anymore.
BangMung, do you play video games?
I just fucking said I play Call of Duty.
Do you have like a possibly a second channel?
I might. I mean, that's only something that people who could scroll through my channel would be possible to find. Is it uploaded on all that much? Not exactly. But is it still a good thing to watch in your free time after you're done shitting your britches out at work? Yeah. It's a good thing for you.
Do you post like on the gaming clips on there? Or?
Yeah, just random moments with people, one of which being potentially in the room right now with me.
Do you post anything other than gaming on that page? Or?
Sometimes I do. Sometimes I'll post random shorts of me in person. Not with my face showing, of course. That would be absurd. And from time to time, videos of concerts I've went to over the years. I actually have a couple that I might be putting out here in a minute. From Fit for an Autopsy on a Friday of this month here, on November 15th.
Do you appreciate the plug I've set up for you there, BangMung?
Yeah.
And
the subtlety.
And I got one final question to ask you.
Oh, great.
About them rock hyraxes.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
So, do you ever think about like maybe I could get like 15 of them as pets and just leash them together and watch them try to run?
What?
Would they bite each other, or would they bite you, or would they bite the leash?
I don't even know how to fucking respond to that. What the fuck? Like, wow. Wow. There we go. Now it's as smooth as my bummus. Man, that's a nice clean gore.
Wow.
Well, we got one more thing we can do. I almost forgot all about it until Mr. Zimbus went ahead and remindled. We got Big Mutney. Once again, not to be confused with Will Putney. Set up to drop. Oh. Oh. Jesus fucking Christ! You good?
Yeah.
Dude, that was vile. That was vile and violent. No. Whoa. That merged. Oh, God, that's like taking a big shit. It has the exact same pressure, except it's in your arm because you're pulling it down instead of shoving it out of you. That's how it feels. Yeah, you can't have a BangMung video without Big Boar Snake Bagoog. And yeah, close that bish. Okay. Well, there is that. And anyways, I'm gonna try continuing. Well, that boy is clean. This boy's back in action. And yeah, I'm hoping you're happy that I've returned. Because I'm here. I never left. I'm just in the nut shack. But like I was going to say previously, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like if you'd be so inclined. Maybe subscribe, please. But yeah, as it goes, I am the greatness that is soon to be BangMung. But I also have one more thing. I almost forgot this. We have a Q&A. Yes, sir. Leave a question in that comment box, and I might answer it sometime this year or at the beginning of the next year. Who really knows? But yeah. Ta-ta!
Rock Hyrax.
Get out of my house.
Oh.
BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, BangMung, 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 Mung, Mung, boom!